we did this mold job, this basement in West Virginia. That was a home sale. So we went in, we cleaned it up, we did passing post samples, we hooked up dehumidification, drained the dehumidification into the sub pump so that they could leave and not have to worry about it. And they decided they wanted to save money on electricity and unplug the sub pump and the dehumidifier. So guess what they had 2 weeks later? That solved the source of the problem, and they totally disconnected it. And so 2 weeks later, they're calling us, you didn't clean up the mold. There's mold again. You did something wrong. And when our inspector showed up, they didn't even try to cover it up. They didn't try to plug anything in. So it understood that they never really were listening to the reason you have mold is because you have moisture. We're going to eliminate the cause of the moisture and then clean up the mold and keep that elimination in place. So very important. Why do you have mold? Get that question answered first, because mold only takes 12 hours to root. And you can have a full contamination in 24, 48 hours. You could have every single wall, ceiling covered with mold.